The 2-pack P500 replacement filters are a game changer for your air purifier. These filters are designed to be compatible with a range of purifiers, including the PURO-XYGEN P500, KJ203F, PETS 300, and APD801 models, making them a versatile choice for many households. With their 4-in, 1 high-efficiency design, these filters offer exceptional performance, ensuring your air remains clean and healthy. One of the standout features is the advanced filtration system. These filters utilize a multi-stage process to capture and eliminate a wide range of airborne contaminants. From dust and pollen to pet dander and smoke particles, these filters effectively trap and remove them, providing you with fresh and purified air. The high-efficiency rating ensures that even the tiniest pollutants are caught, leaving your indoor environment clean and comfortable. The ease of installation is another plus. The filters are designed to fit seamlessly into your purifier, making the replacement process quick and hassle-free. You won't need any special tools or expertise. Simply follow the straightforward instructions, and you'll have fresh filters in no time. This convenience is a huge advantage, especially for busy individuals who value their time. Moreover, the longevity of these filters is impressive. With regular use, each filter can last up to several months, providing continuous purification without frequent replacements. This not only saves you money in the long run, but also reduces waste, making it an eco-friendly choice. In terms of value, this 2-pack offers excellent cost-effectiveness. By purchasing these filters in a pack, you not only save money, but also ensure you always have a spare filter ready. This is particularly beneficial for those who want to maintain consistent air quality without worrying about running out of filters. Overall, the 2-pack P500 replacement filters are a top-tier choice for anyone seeking superior air purification. With their advanced filtration, easy installation, and long-lasting performance, these filters deliver exceptional value. Upgrade your air purifier with these filters and breathe easier knowing your indoor air is clean, healthy, and free from harmful pollutants.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.